gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I have my March Boxycharm base box. Everybody pretty much knows what Boxycharm is, so without further ado, let's see what they sent me in my March box. Okay, guys, so woo! Here's my box. They are sending very thick boxes now for me, and it just makes me super excited to see what's inside these things. You know what? There's a lot of weight to this one, so let's pop her open. So, yeah, I did buy this palette when they had one of their flash sale pop-up thingamabobbers. So I am not going to open this palette as I'm shaking the thing. I'm not going to open this palette for you guys. I am going to show you the one that I already bought because I'm going to put this in a future giveaway. So this is Beauty Bakery Sour Yadoin eyeshadow palette. It is super, super pretty, you guys. So let me go ahead and pop this bad boy open for you. Oh, there's a mirror. So I'll just use the old this palette to cover up this mirror. Have I used it already? Looks like I had my fingers in there, that's for sure. So here's what the palette looks like. I may have already used it. I really can't remember. But I did already buy this palette and they put it in my box. This was not my choice, but that's okay. Well, I don't think you really ever get to choose a palette in the base box, but nonetheless, I already have it. So this one that I got, I'm just going to leave it sealed and I will put it in a future giveaway. Ooh, what's this? So this says Christophe Robin Paris. This is a Brum Volumisanti. I'm sure I said that wrong. But it's a volumizing leave-in mist with rose water. It uplifts the roots in fuller lengths. Oh, I like the idea of that. Check that out, you guys. Okay, so I'm actually really excited about that. Anything to make my hair look fuller, I am totally down for it. Okay, guys, I forgot to tell you what the cost was of the palette there. So the Beauty Bakery palette was, the value for that is $38. And then this Christophe Robin Volume Mist with Rose Water, the value for this one is $39. And guess what, guys? As usual, I did not total this up, so I will do it after I'm done unboxing and let you know what the total value is for the box. Okay, so the next item I have in here, what is this? Item Lash Snack Lengthening Mascara. Oh, okay. Right then. I am totally down for some mascara. So I'm not going to open this because I do have a couple of mascaras opened right now, but I will tell you guys what the value is of that. 15 bucks. Well, that's a pretty darn good deal. Most of them that are valued around $25. So a $15 mascara might be one I rebuy if I actually like it. Awesome. Okay. So next I have this Persona eyeliner. Oh, okay. 24-hour waterproof eyeliner. Okie dokie then. So let's go ahead and take this out of the thing here, even though I am going to do a short video on this. I guess I just won't have that packaging, will I? Is it, what color is it? Oh, it's black. Okay, so here it is outside of the packaging that I just showed you, and here's what it looks like. Okay. Totally down for using this, that's for sure. All right, let's see what the value is for the mascara. So the value for the Persona mascara is $14. All right, so the last thing that's in this little box I think was my choice. Yes, it is a Real Rose Petal Sleeping Mask. Sounded interesting to me. I'm all about the sleeping masks nowadays, guys. I really love these things. I feel like they really work well for my skin. I'm hoping you guys can see that. I really can't tell because these lights are so bright. So hopefully when I zoom in, you guys will be able to see it really good. But let me go ahead and take it out of the packaging here. The packaging is very good. It's not wasteful. And they have some little, they have two, if I can get my hands on them, little applicators. So you get these little applicators in there. I won't use them, but you know, it's nice they put them in there. Ooh. Oh wow, it's really liquidy. So here it is outside of the packaging. I am going to pop this bad boy open and give it a quick smell here and see what's happening. Ooh. Definitely smells like roses. Let's see if I can show it to you without spilling it out because, you know, that would be the first time I did something like that. Whew. you definitely get the rose smell. So if you guys don't like a very rose strong smell, this isn't for you. But I like it. I think it's really nice. Okay, so the value for that product is $55. So that was the highest priced product in this box. Okay, guys, let me go ahead and tally this up, let you know what the total value is for this entire box, and I will wrap up this video. Okay, guys, so maybe someday I will remember to tally this up before I start the video, but, you know, I make no promises. Okay, let's do a quick recap, guys. So the first item was the Beauty Bakery Sour You Doin' eyeshadow palette. The total value for that product was $38. And then we had the Pure Heals Real Rose Petal Sleeping Mask. The value for that product was $55. Then we have the Christoph Robin Instant Volume Mist with Rose Water. That was for your hair to make it look, you know, bigger, fuller, awesome. The value for that product was $39. And then we have the Item Beauty by Addison Rae Lash Snack Lengthening Mascara. The value for that product was $15. And the final product is this Persona Cosmetics 24-Hour Waterproof Eyeliner. The value for that product is $14, making the total value for this month's box $161. So again, guys, this one is, I think it's moved up to $27 a month, but you do get a discount if you pay in advance, and I pay for the year. I don't know what my discount evens out to, but I know that I get a better deal by doing it that way. So I will have a link to the Boxycharm website in my description box below, and I did forget to show you the card at the very beginning. It is hashtag Boxy Spring Revival. Look how pretty the card is, guys. I like it. Pretty awesome. So that is the theme for the box this month. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! Okay, guys, so, woo! Did that work? Didn't look like it. Try it again. Okay, guys, so, woo! That didn't work. Oh, move this table up a little bit. Well, anyways, I did buy this palette in their, what is it called? Oh, I'm gonna have to do this again. Okay, guys, so, woo! That didn't work. Try it again.